Hydroxychloroquine is a controversial drug against COVID-19. Some earlier studies shows it is effective against COVID-19, then some studies discard it. Latest studies shows that it has effects in reducing mortality rate. But hydroxychloroquine should not be self-medicated. This medicine you have to take with the proper guidance of physician. It has some general side effects like other drugs like nausea, vomiting, headache, stomach pain, etc. But there are some side effects that is very specific or adverse effect that is specific for hydroxychloroquine. The specific adverse effects I'll discuss in this video. First, I'll discuss about the contraindication, absolute contraindication. If you are suffering from retinopathy or you have earlier hypersensitivity against hydroxychloroquine, then you should not take this absolute contraindication. Now, adverse effects of hydroxychloroquine. Ocular. Irreversible retinal damage has been observed in some patients who have received hydroxychloroquine sulfate. Cardiac effects including cardiomyopathy and QT prolongation. Post-marketing cases of life-threatening and fatal cardiomyopathy have been reported with use of plaquenil as well as with use of chloroquine. Patients may present with atrioventricular block, pulmonary hypertension, sick sinus syndrome, or with cardiac complications. ECG findings may include atrioventricular right or left bundle branch block. Signs or symptoms of cardiac compromise have appeared during acute and chronic treatment. Neuropsychiatric events including suicidality. Suicidal behavior has been rarely reported in patients treated. Hypoglycemia. Hydroxychloroquine has been shown to cause severe hypoglycemia, including loss of consciousness, that could be life-threatening in patients treated with or without anti-diabetic medications. Now, other than these side effects or adverse effects, there are many drug interactions also. Like if you are taking digoxin, ampicillin, many antacids, cimetidine, it will interact with your hydroxychloroquine. So before taking these medications along with hydroxychloroquine, you have to consult with physician surely. And there are overdose reactions also. If you don't know the dose properly and you are taking incorrect dose, there will be overdose reaction. So these things you have to keep in mind.